Look out, look out. Hey.
Gerald and them will be out here Sunday.
Yeah, Gerald and them, y'all.
Be out here Sunday.
Sunday? Okay.
Testing and tuning on something.
Okay.
But hey, what you doing for Cinco de Mayo?
I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be there tomorrow.
XRP.
Yeah, I'm gonna be at XRP tomorrow. Hey. Yeah, I ain't forgetting. Oh, they got a burger. Hey, how you doing? You on my YouTube channel? You got a subscriber thing, Miss Mira. Yeah, here, give one to your boyfriend now. Everybody. Clean. Yeah. I do want some corn, y'all. I want some corn now. Oh. Hey. Yeah. Look out, look out, look out. I'm making a new song. Dame tu ilote.
You wanna drive this motherfucker?
Yeah. We're gonna go drive it. Well, as soon as you come up, we're gonna drive. Make a full pass. Let me see. Hey.
All motor and like this one exhaust and intake.
Hey, they trying to figure out what you got, man.
Huh?
They talking about this Ford running. Yeah, they ain't telling
them.
them.
Never say shit, do you know that?
Okay, the good, they ain't telling you. They ain't telling you, man. I want me some tacos. Life with Rike. Oh, snap. Life with Rike. What's up with it, man? We got Life with Rike in here, y'all. Y'all don't know. The one who be grinding all the time. Y'all know him, man. Yo, even when the track closed, he's still there. He be grinding. Every time I look up, he got a new video coming out. He is grinding, man. I can't believe it. Let me see. We got Power Stroke Syndicate in the building. Ford Tech Life. Edward Navarez. Ralph Euchre's in here. I don't know what he. I ain't know you being here, Rike, man. I thought you be busy editing like a mug, man. I'm out here looking around, trying to catch people. Hey, Mira, you on my YouTube channel? Man, it's going down, man, like James Brown. Make sure you dale me gusta. Yeah, suscríbete. You finna do it now? Okay, he finna suscríbete now. I didn't learn Spanish, Rike. Trying to get these people to subscribe. Yeah. Yeah, that's me. I'm the second one. Look out racing. Yeah, you gotta hit racing. It was right there. When you put look out, look, you see racing. Ah, right there. Man, they got me low now. Yeah, that's me, man. Subscribe,
I got you, man.
and then hit the bell, the notification that's todo.
Got you, bro.
Yeah, already, man. Appreciate it. He done subscribed, y'all. Yeah, Rike, I done had to learn Spanish, man, to come up here to the track. You ain't even learned Spanish and got all them subscribers, man. Boy, I done had to learn Spanish for mine, boy. I ain't lying, boy. I'm proud of you too, man. Boy, hey, y'all, I need mine to go up like Rike. Boy, Rike be moving, boy. What's up with it, ex-gamers? Bruce Lee, Billy Hayes. Oh, hold on. Hey, Mira. That's I'ma have you on there, man. But, shit. Damn, man. That shit trying to make me fall. Hey, I'm trying to shake it. I want me a lote. I'll be here Sunday. Hey. Give me 2 tacos. Hey, fuck around and get some nachos. Hey. Hey. I see the Ford. in the left lane. Is it gonna win? I don't know, I ain't. Damn. See the Ford in the left lane. Is it gonna win? I don't know, man. It's a V6 and it ain't quick. It's a V8 in the right lane, bitch. Hey, 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 hey. What you gonna do when I make a play? BMW in the right lane. Ooh, it's good. It is not plain. Mike got a turbo, bet it don't last. Got a left lane, won that race. Ooh, I'm glad I'm at the right place. Got to. Oh, there it goes, it's back. Get back in here. Okay. Yeah, that was messed up. Alright.
Always, bro. Every stream. I get this every stream. You get that every stream? Every stream. Somebody, on every stream, somebody comes and saying something like that.
Yeah.
I lined my first dude up just now, well, a few races ago.
Yeah.
The bike, he was lined up in this right lane. See all this mud? I was like, oh no, I'm not about to watch a wreck.
Oh yeah, I
So
seen you.
in that other group.
I seen you do that.
Looking all awkward and shit.
Yeah, I seen you.
He wasn't really doing what I was telling him to, so I was like, whatever, just get out of that side.
Hey. Ah. Damn. Why he got that music up so loud? Dang, I was freestyling, going hard. Next thing you know, it's buffering.
Micro.
I thought I was doing
something. That guy hustles hard. I said, if you need an extra GoPro this weekend, let me know. He goes, we got 5 right now, man.